This is Sterling representing for Mr. Lex, Road to Recovery. I'm here to see a Saturday, May the 4th, 2024, R&D Sports Bar. You don't want to miss it. I'm Terry Linen, Michael Russell go did it. Just come out and support and feel the joy. You see me? Where you say, Patrick?
That's 6531 Sunset Strip Boulevard in Sunrise. Make it a date and don't be late. A host of DJs, all of South Florida finest will be there, giving them strength to Father Lex as a thing called Road to Recovery.
No time to linger, got to be a lover. Could be the girl for me, na na na. Could be the girl for me.
And guess what there is? There's no one to give assistance, just when we need it most. They say they need it just the same, stretching out their hands to you. With yo, Terry.
Yeah, man, just come out and come push on yourself, man.
See?
Saturday, May 4th, 2024.
In this final situation,
you gotta make preparation
that when your life is back on track, you will know just how to act. Many take your kindness for weakness, and their worries and joy and sweetness leave you to drown.
Hey, what Mr. Russell say?
But victory will come tomorrow.
And guess what? If you don't get no respect, that means that you're a suspect. Yeah?
Oh, damn bad.
May the 4th.
May the 4th.
R&D Sports Bar and Grill. Lexus Road to Recovery. Can't keep a good man down.
No more of your hurting, darling.
Oh, this is for my mama.
Magnet Force 24 presents a Mother's Day picnic in the park on Sunday, May 12th. Ladies, drink free all day.
Thank you, mama, for the 9 months you carried
With
me.
music by Magnet Force 24, Mr. Lex, Hot Stepper Sound, Sequence Sound, Star Quality Mobile Sound, True Vibe Sound, Acid Sound, Shocking Studio, Thunder Music, War Tanka, Murder Music, and DJ Fate. It's a Mother's Day picnic in the park, Sunday, May 12th, from 12 noon until at John Stretch Memorial Park, 47225 US Highway 27 in Lake Harbor, Florida. Enjoy a day of food and fun outside in the sun. Come out and enjoy yourself. Remember, ladies, you drink free all day. Happy Mother's Day to all mothers everywhere.
From your love, your mama, let me see your hand. Supposed to blank for your mama, lighter for your mama. Selector, you better pull up the one you for your mama.
Broken-hearted sound boy, calling in the day and soul. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all. Got to get myself together. Yeah, can't afford to let my baby go. You know, and ever just gone to die, and my sisters are all trying. Your bodies are dying, my people are crying. We are living in the love of the bottom. Living in the house of the Almighty, living in the love of the bottom. Living in the house of the Almighty, yeah. Oh, well. The days of destruction will never be. Oh no. Not unto the wise men to the sea.
I mean, so big up the Sequence Sound, see? The videographer in the area, big time videographer. We know so we're up on YouTube tomorrow, live and direct, see? And make sure that the girl them see my face on YouTube, you know. DJ Bird, see? Alright, do the thing. I don't see intensity yet, you know. Watch the next video, man. When there? When there? Watch the diamonds. out of the lane. I play one more round of foundation tune. I tell you, because the night long. See, I'm going to come here to play some dangerous tune tonight. Run it on the Father Bird. Yardcore, see? Check them out. Now tell you 2 big bad sound in you next week and 2 big bad sound in you every week. Now tell you for real. And Father Bird, you can't come here and play. Hey, and play this tune, you know.
Camera
hardcore people, check it out, see? Right about now, I just one more round of some foundation tune, you know, then we are getting down in the real thing, see? Night long, see? And the whole stand them there, see? So you have to represent for them, see? I don't know, so later on we have to juggle two rhythm on the mic and thing, you know, because Russian love all the mic and thing. See? Alright, bless, pick up yourself, see?
Shifter. Bad boy care this to them.
The fifth. Okay, the fifth Barbados. I'm good to go. But the fifth by next month, Barbados, I'm good tomorrow. Good to go. Special girl for your man.
We are going to put them on the channel. Yeah, man, what's your
Could you possibly rewind and come again?
Okay.
So the one John Holt.
I can't get you off my mind. No.
on my mind.
Hey, I play them track your original, you know. Original studio one, you know, me I talk about Cornell Campbell and the Eternals. See?
It's like my heart on fire for you. Little girl, you are my desire. I require it brings on there. It fills my emotion with devotion. And while the stars stop shining, it brings on clouds. While the clouds I reach out for my love for you.
Broken-hearted sound boy, toiling in the day and soul. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.